Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're gonna learn verb form 2. Let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to table 1 to learn the past tense of verb form 2. We're gonna read each verb first and then try to do the music for it and then move on to the next verb. Let's start. علم أ غير أ فضل أ نظف أ Now all of them in a row. علم غير فضل نظف. Now if we look at the verbs in table 1, what we see is that they all have one thing in common, which is that in all these verbs the second letter is a double letter, or it has shadda on top of it. So that's a good tip when we are trying to learn the past tense of verb form 2. Now let's move on to the second table to learn the present tense of verb form 2. Let's start. يعلم أؤئئ يغير أؤئئ يفضل أؤئئ ينظف أؤئئ. Now all of them in a row. يعلم يغير يفضل ينظف. Now let's move on to table 3 to put the past tense and the present tense together. Let's start. علم يعلم غير يغير فضل يفضل نظف ينظف. Okay, that's all the grammar we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1. He taught English at a school. هو علم الإنجليزية في مدرسة. Number 2. He teaches French at a university. هو يعلم الفرنسية في جامعة. Number 3. He changed his name. هو غير اسمه. Number 4. He is changing his job. هو يغير عمله. Number 5. He prefers big cities. هو يفضل المدن الكبيرة. Number 6. He cleaned the house yesterday. هو نظف البيت يوم الأمس. Number 7. He cleans his room every day. هو ينظف غرفته كل يوم. Number 8. What does he teach? ماذا هو يعلم? Number 9. Does he teach Arabic well? هل هو يعلم العربية جيدا? Number 10. Why did he change his job? لماذا هو غير عمله? Number 11. Did he clean the apartment yesterday? هل هو نظف الشقة يوم الأمس? Number 12. Why does he clean his room every day? لماذا هو ينظف غرفته كل يوم? Number 13. He taught Arabic at a school for 30 years. هو علم العربية في مدرسة 30 سنة. Number 14. Why did he change his name? لماذا هو غير اسمه? And number 15. He prefers Arabic restaurants. هو يفضل المطاعم العربية. Okay, so that's it for the sample sentences. Make sure you check out sample sentences too for more practice. Alright guys, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.